Lovely. Perfect.
Boom. Guys, so I got something exciting for you here today. First for the channel, we're gonna unbox this camera and take a look at it and see how good this thing really is. Did I forget to mention, it's also a phone? What's up guys, it's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Guys, I had to start it off that way because this is a camera with a little bit of phone on the side. It's amazing. And of course I'm talking about the Vivo X70 Pro Plus. This is straight from China. I had to order it overseas and get it over here. They don't sell it here yet, but man, this thing is amazing. And it puts into question everything that we know about smartphones, everything that we see from Samsung, from Apple, from OnePlus. It puts it all into question. How can they do this? How is this so good? And when are our phones over here gonna be this good? That's my question. Guys, we're gonna unbox this for the first time today. It comes in a couple different colors. I got a pretty cool color here. If you look at the box, X70 Pro Plus. So there's a couple models they released, the regular one, the regular Pro, and the Pro Plus. This one has the dedicated, its own chip made by Vivo to do computational photography. So it's gonna take your photography that much further, that much better than anything else. So we're gonna start with the unboxing, guys. Just look at the unboxing right away. It's already a different experience compared to what we're used to with Samsung, Apple, and all the other companies. So you got this right over here, you pop this open and you get your first glimpse at the phone. I've only seen this on black on YouTube and all the other videos. I got the orange one so we can check that out. So that's gonna be a treat. So I'm gonna close it for a second and put this to the side. Then we go with all these little goodies. If you haven't known, here we're not used to getting a case with your phone or a charger with your phone. Well, Vivo is putting that in there. Not only are they putting in your charge brick that we're used to having to pay extra for now, they're including that in the case, and not only are they including it, it's 66 watt fast charging, so it's extremely fast. You also get a pair of headphones. We haven't seen that in a while, guys, ever, so that's amazing. And look at that, you also get a case. They give you a case, and it's a nice, like, leather feeling case to match the phone. You got your cable here, your USB-C to USB-C as well. So, I mean, already as far as unboxing this, you're already getting a whole different experience that you'd be getting with anything that you're gonna find from Apple and Samsung. So here's the phone. You pop this open, look at this, how nice. This is the camera cutout right there for you to see, for everybody to see, right when you open it. It's like, I don't know, it's just like opening a book and getting what you want. This is amazing. You got the little flip right here, boom, phone comes out, and we're all excited to hear the little satisfaction. Wow, they even made the sticker better. All right, guys, so we're gonna put that to the side, and here is your first look at the Vivo X70 Pro Plus in the orange. The back, wow, guys, the back is like, it's like a leather. It's like a leather feeling back, so it feels premium. If you can see, very, very thin, huge screen, huge camera bump. Again, this is a camera with a side of phone. Guys, I'm so excited to try this out. This thing is on another level when it comes down to phones, and I'm trying to figure out why Apple and Samsung, we're gonna put their name in there, hasn't done something like this. I've always said that companies are going away from being innovative, and now they're just playing catch up and just throwing things out there, little updates here and there, and not creating something that is going to wow you and is going to drive you crazy. And now we're gonna go into the specs real quick, because this is where this phone is gonna blow your head through the roof. And I'm gonna bring my little iPad here because I have all the specs right here. Guys, it's a 6.78 inch AMOLED LTPO screen. It has the peak brightness of 1500, so it is extremely bright. Obviously Android phone. When it comes down to the actual storage, you get 256 with 8 gigabytes of RAM, You can get 256 with 12 gigabytes of RAM or 512 with 12 gigabytes of RAM. So plenty of storage right there when it comes down to the phone. Battery, 4,500 milliamp hour battery. So an extremely big battery to power this big phone because it does have a big screen, has 120 refresh rate. So the screen is going to take up power. So you definitely need that battery. I told you it's got the 66 watt charger in the case already that comes with it. 50 watt fast wireless charging. It's got reverse charging as well. I mean, you name it, this thing has it. And going into the cameras, this is where this gets good. Like, I don't know, I don't think that was enough buildup. Like you need, hold on. Okay, this is where this gets good, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a 50 megapixel main sensor wide camera, 50 megapixels. Then you got a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. 48 megapixel ultra, I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, it has a gimbal. Yes, the camera has a gimbal. So when you are recording videos, it is not optically stabilizing it. No, it's actually stabilizing it like a gimbal because it has it in the camera, a gimbal, Vivo, it's there. I'm just saying that right now, guys. Then you got also a 12 megapixel regular camera, and then you got an 8 megapixel periscope, so it also zooms in as well. That is intense, guys. Then the front camera, the front facing camera, 32 megapixel. Of course, as far as video recording, you got the 4K 30, 4K 24, you got 1080p. It does all of that. So that was a mouthful. And let me just start by saying flagship status. All the features you might want are here. All the features you might need are here. So what's going on, Samsung, Apple? Like, what is going on? Don't get me wrong, I have my 13 Pro. I love it. Don't get me wrong, you have a video coming, you're gonna see the changes on the camera. I also have the S21. It's here. I love it as well. You're gonna see the video comparing those two. But when you come with a package like this, with the unboxing like this, and price point right now, I mean, I obviously had to import this, so I paid a little bit more, but the launch price, I think is between $1,200 to $1,300. You're getting what you paid for. And from the videos I've seen, which again, I'm gonna put this through its paces on the actual videos and compare the videos, compare the pictures, compare everything, but the pictures are astonishing, especially the night video. I mean, it's just amazing, guys. So I really wanted to get this in because I needed to show you this. I needed to show you what we're missing and what I think the future needs to be for Samsung and for Apple. Like I said, back in the day, they were innovative. They would come out with new things, year-end, new things. Now this iPhone, again, don't take it the wrong way. It is a good phone and they did upgrade the cameras and they're very, very good. But it feels like an S upgrade. It doesn't feel like an actual upgrade, especially when you're comparing it to something like this with the features that this brings, which again, Apple, Samsung, you know they're huge, bigger companies than this company. There's no way those features should not be implemented in these phones or should have been implemented back in the day. So Vivo, props, innovation, bringing the new, showing me the new stuff. I'm so excited to try this out, so excited to put it through its paces and put it against these two phones so we can see what these phones need to be or what this phone lacks. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. This is Manny signing out with one more review.